hi everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva, with your favorite criminal defense attorney here in LA. All right, you guys, I represent a lot of people, and what is always gut-wrenching to me is when I have a really great client who makes the mistake of admitting too much to an officer, and the officer will essentially charge them with a crime that they weren't even investigating in the first place. So what are these tactics? There are so many tactics that police use in order to make their job easier. And what do I mean? You know, if they can get an admission, if they can get consent to search you when they really don't have the right, their jobs become really easy. And there's simple things that you can do to protect your rights. Now, number one thing that cops say, they say, we just want to help you clear this up. They don't. They want to make their job easier. And if you admit to something, it makes their job easier because they don't have to interview as many witnesses. They don't have to get as much video. They don't have to spend as much time making their case clear cut because you already admitted to whatever they wanted. And mind you, a lot of people admit to things that they didn't even do because they're so nervous. After all, you're talking to someone with a gun. The second thing is tell us what happened and we'll take leniency on you. Guys, they can't. They don't have the power to be lenient on you. All they do is they investigate and they make a police report, an arrest report, and they submit that to the prosecutors. It's the prosecutors that have the right to be lenient, but not the officers. They take reports and they submit them to the filing agency. The filing agency, whether it's the district attorney, the city attorney, or the AUSA, they make their decisions whether to be lenient or file the case or not. The next thing, your friend snitched on you. Guys, 9 times out of 10, I don't have a friend in my police report that has snitched on my client. They make that up because they believe if they tell you, look, you're already good for this crime because your friend said that you did it, you're going to admit to it. Don't make their job easier and don't fall for the lie. I have also innocent children who will admit to something thinking their friend snitched on them and they didn't even commit the crime. Next, if you don't talk, it's going to look bad. It's not, guys, because you have a constitutional right to remain silent. You have a constitutional right to have an attorney with you with any statement that's made. And the reason why silence and an attorney is important is because it prevents the officers from twisting your words. There's a lot of time body cam is miraculously turned off when my client makes a statement, and there's nothing to protect them. Make sure you have an attorney, make sure you know your rights, and stay safe out there. Let me know what you think or if you have any stories. I love hearing from you, and thank you for subscribing. All right, you guys, till next time.